Look at the sign, mirror lake.
Oh, cool. Wow. Use easy cooking step one. Some of whatever amount you want. Doesn't matter. Kelly, can pass me the Next
那个
step,
炒菜的。
put the onion in. Please. At this point, I meant to use the wok chan to stir fry it, but
It smells good although I don't eat it.
you won't see it yet.
Every time you say that, and then I still see it.
That day, Kelly, what? Where's my onion? So on the menu today is chicken, pumpkin chicken. Kind of cheated a little bit by getting marinated honey soy chicken, which is this one. Fragrant is correct.
Nice.
Okay, the chicken is going in now.
We are totally not finishing that. Hey, you cook plastic ah?
Try and stir fry it without it coming out of the pan because it's very salty.
And a very big wok chan.
This is a cooking show for Kelly to cook for us.
Seeing the star of the show.
If it's nice, she will cook for us. If it's not nice, she will just pretend it's nice.
Did not see that.
I didn't see it. You do what? Mostly I don't even think of these words.
This is a three-man job. One cooking, one the other one also talking in sunlight, the other one more blocking the wind.
Can you stop it?
I don't know.
No, you're talking about something.
The clothes.
The clothes. Now you're talking to chicken.
Ooh, the star of the show taking over. Extra seasoning.
This is the first time I see one hand.
Yeah. What a feeling 等一下全部都会啪出来。
Shortly before, the car decided to bounce. Jang, jang, jang! What was suspected is the brakes. Because they've been going downhill for quite a while. And I think the brakes were